Hi there, I'm Felix, one of the exploration geologists at RSC. Over the last 2 months I was in Korea helping out the local geologists look for some rare earth deposits. Morning! Here we are in Honcheon. Beautiful viewy thing of the river. It's pretty cool, it's pretty cold. We're about to start the day. I think it's a little bit magnetic. Just a little bit. Small but not small, eh? That's a good description. If I put that into my geologic description, I'd get in trouble. Small but not small. It is, man. Like if I get a big fluorite, I'm taking like you want a big one, you know, like a cube. That would be amazing. But these are cool anyway. Don't get fluorite much in New Zealand. Paint a bit of a picture. Oh yeah, now it's time for some big work. Run up the mountain, map everything. That's the fun part, the mapping. You run up every peak and just map. Mushy! There's a pervasive hematite. Pretty much massive hematite, but it's banded, so it's like it's coming afterwards and mineralize this rare earth ore body. Maybe afterwards or they come up. We're just walking up the hill, that's why I'm out of puff. The temple was down there. We've got another maybe 300 meters up of the stuff you have to go up against. So in the bush here you have heaps of these thorns. You can imagine you wish you had PPE when you're doing this. Doesn't really help much. So heaps of these, and all this bush is that. So better to stick to tracks than go feral, because you're going to cut yourself up. Oh geez, that's why I bought the chisel, so you can go boop, bring it off, but not worth it. Can't be bothered. Just quartz, eh? Not a lot of feldspar.
Yeah, the feldspar.
Oh, a little bit? Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
The feldspar is weak and they fall apart.
Pulled apart, eh? Yeah. Woo! It's pretty cool, man. Everything's blossoming, it's spring. Cool.
Yeah.
Ah, I see. No,
Same one.
nah, it's probably you just inhaled a toxic plant, most likely.
It's like little bit.
Little bit.
Little bit. Very little bit.
Do we know what sort of tree it is? I wonder what it is.
This one is Sindale.
Oh, yep.
Eatable. Eatable.
Edible. You can eat it.
Yeah.
Edible leaves.
Flower.
Oh, yes, so you can eat the flower. Oh, yeah, I'll just go. Mount Erotan. Feels like something from Lord of the Rings. I'll push you up if you want. Wasp nest.
Oh.
Lucky he fell out of the tree.
Yeah.
He's well gone. Don't want to see any of them up here. They gave us something to climb up. Mountain geology. Oh, maybe we can get down. Look at this James Bond. Shall we whack a sample somewhere around here?
Yeah.
Yep. Oh look, lots of magnetite veining up there. Every time, you sit down, you're like, oh, that's a good sample, and you see another one. Oh, look at that, see? Exactly. Boom. It's fractured to hell. Done it. Mount Everest. Shall we get a selfie on it, eh? Yeah. Just you. I see how it is. Together.
Yeah. Together.
Yeah. Conquered it. Conquered it, mate.
Yeah.
It's coming. We're gonna get him. Whether it takes all day, it's gonna be an amazing specimen. Well, yeah, she's coming. Yes, Andrew. Yes! You've done it! Now that there is a big sample. That's it. Nice work.
No.
Yes.
Yeah.
That there, mate, is a good sample. There you go. You can carry that one down. Shotgun knot. Oh yes, we found a way down. An easy way down. Instead of bush bashing it. Yep, I reckon that's the go. Good plan, kid. Ooh. Oh God, I've just found a big blob. It looks like there's a bit of copper. I can see copper oxide. What? Ah, false alarm. Cool. Bit of chocolate brown, might actually be sulfide. Every time you find rubbish, pick it up. Makes miners look like good guys. Yeah, man, it's good practice get into. Pick up all rubbish, even if it's not yours. It's a cave there, and it's really hollow here. Not the most. Oh my God! Wow, yeah, it's definitely looks like there's a structure going all the way down, and that's probably what they were following. Oh, it's an adit because it's the mine over there. Ah, I see. Yeah, don't jump on that. I reckon it's hollow. Yeah. Just tread carefully around these mines. Yeah, look, it even says watch out on a flag, I assume. We are not going in there. But a wee squiz might be nice. Oh, wow. Yep, so this is the, it's probably the stope, as they'd call it. Here, pretty good spot. I'd like to be buried here too. Ancestral burial. Put them in a mound. Pretty neat. Good spot to get buried if you ask me, but I feel sorry for the family members to bring it all this, look, a granite slab up here. Pretty cool. They don't have much of a problem of us walking around them. Some of the things we do to get a sample. Ugh. Gotta look for a good spot. This water's gonna be freezing. Behind this rock's a good spot. Oh, some frog eggs over there. Cool. Find some more sediment. Sediment's gonna be hard to find here because we're so close to the source of these rocks. Frogs' eggs. It's gonna be freezing, this water. Oh, here's some. Oh, it's not too bad, the water. It's kind of warm. Nice rocks. That's the stuff. Oh, it's getting cold now. Smoky quartz. Might get some pretty cool minerals in this stuff, eh? Look at all these frogs' eggs. Bunta, I got some, that's right. Bit more, eh, maybe? Look, plenty of sediment to choose from. Maybe the further we go into the river, the less roadworky it'll be. Ooh, look at this big green rock. Oh, here you go, check that out. Green rock. That's pretty good stuff. Ooh, next to a nice rock too. Haven't seen many garnets yet, eh?
Sorry?
Haven't seen too many garnets.
Garnet?
Yeah, no garnet anywhere.
Well, there are many garnets.
There are?
Yeah.
In this area where they're nicest?
I think so.
We might see it in the sand. Yeah, should be enough. Should be plenty. Just go in here. Ugh. Yeah, it's pretty cold water. Yep. That's some good sediment. Check that out. Plenty. Took any sand of death. No black sand. Gonna be freakishly hard to get pank on if there's no black sand. It's a big one. Ooh. Why is she going for a wander by herself? There's a shear. Zhunk. There's another one. Zhunk. For those of you who don't know what a shear is, it's when you have insane deformation of the rocks, and it's normally looks like a fault, but it's not, because the inside of this has like all the rocks have been squeezed flat and stretched. So when you look at these rocks, you bash them open, they're normally quite flat looking from the pressure and the stretching. So this thing was a pegmatite at some point, and now it's just been, everything's been flattened, crushed and stretched, and it's sort of a pathway for mineralization. Like you get this brown staining around these edges from fluid come up that's precipitated into the cracks and stuff. And you always get these shear zones commonly next to an enormous structure, which is actually just down the hill there. It's a big valley of the reason of why we're here as well. I guess we walk into the middle, or from the middle stone. Yeah, or like even on the middle stone try and dig up the sample. Yeah mate, this is a bit of a exploration. Yeah, look, you can reach down and dig up some sample. Like here's a good sample spot. Okay. See if we can reach down. yeah, try that one. If it's too hard, we could even just scrape off the sample off the edge of the drive thingy here. Yes, it works. Oh. Yeah mate, that's how you do sampling in a career. You just walk into the middle of the river, look for some sand that's in the middle of the river, that's hopefully, I know it's a bit of a long shot, but hopefully not contaminated, whereas it looks like people have bulldozed out of this place. As you can see, all that's probably come up there, that's not from here, that's foreign. There's a couple of fishermen up there a bit. Oh, here comes a car. It's gonna have a squizzeroonie.